You've been lied to. Motivation isn't the secret to success, it's the biggest trap. You don't need another pep talk playlist or morning inspiration. What you need is a system, a plan that works, even on the days you don't feel like showing up. I used to think motivation was everything. I'd watch those hype videos, get fired up, and dive into my goals. But here's the thing. A week later, I'd quit. The excitement faded, and I was back to square one. Motivation feels great when it strikes. It's like a burst of energy that makes you believe you can conquer the world. The problem is, it doesn't last. At first, you were fired up. You bought all the gear, made plans, maybe even told your friends about it. But then, life happened. You got tired. Work got busy. That initial excitement? Gone. It wasn't until I shifted my focus that things actually started to change. And when I did, everything clicked. I stopped relying on feelings and started building habits that worked no matter what mood I was in. So what's the answer? It's simpler than you think. Systems and routines. Unlike motivation, systems don't care how you feel. They're automatic. They keep you moving forward, even on the days when you'd rather stay in bed. Let's break it down with an example. Say you want to get fit. If you rely on motivation, you might work out for a few days, then skip it when you're not in the mood. But if you have a system, like scheduling workouts at the same time every morning, laying out your clothes the night before, and committing to just 10 minutes of exercise, you're far more likely to stay consistent. Why? Because systems remove decision making. You don't have to think about it, you're on autopilot. You just do it. Some days it'll feel effortless, other days it'll feel like pulling teeth. But over time, those small, consistent efforts add up. Systems work because they make progress inevitable. They create habits. They turn big, overwhelming goals into small, manageable steps. And here's the best part. Once a system is in place, you don't need to rely on willpower anymore. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't wake up and wonder, do I feel like brushing my teeth today? You just do it. That's the power of a good system. Motivation is fleeting. It's there one day, gone the next. But systems? Systems are dependable. Systems don't care if you're tired, stressed, or uninspired. And that's exactly why they work. Motivation might get you started, but systems are what keep you going. They're the foundation of consistency, and consistency is the real secret to success. Let me ask you this. How many times have you waited to feel ready before starting something? And how many times did that moment never come? It's time to stop waiting. Your future isn't built on feelings, it's built on action. So let's take action. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Start building systems that make it easy to show up, even when you don't feel like it. What's one system you can start building today? Maybe it's as simple as setting a daily alarm to remind you to write, or packing your gym bag the night before. Drop your ideas in the comments. I want to hear them. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies that will help you create the life you want, one habit at a time. Remember, success isn't about being motivated, it's about being consistent. Start small, start today, and watch how far you can go.